What if we tell you, your customers can tour your property even before you've started building it? BitVR makes it easier for you to interact and communicate. As a real estate developer and property owner, you can sell your property 3 times faster with our augmented and virtual reality solutions. Whether your project is in the works or it's almost completed, BitVR gets you connected to prospective clients in real time, and all it takes are just 4 simple steps. 1. Log in and upload your design on bitvr.realitybit.com. 2. Stay connected as we reach out to you. 3. Make payment as we create the best virtual tour ever. 4. Within a few days, your custom tour is ready. You can now share with your customers in all your social media platforms. Our immersive virtual reality tour service will not only captivate and convert potential buyers, it will also create a lasting impression with your listing. Contact us today. Let us help you get ahead in the game.